Could this be the home that you're waiting for? This immaculate detached 4-bedroom home not only offers breathtaking views of the lush green space, it places you within walking distance of top-ranking schools, ensuring a bright future for your family.
With easy access to Highway 7 and 407, commuting is a breeze, making this home the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and natural beauty. Your perfect lifestyle starts here. It's Junaid and Kim from Mirage Real Estate at RE/MAX Hallmark.
And we'd like to welcome you to 35 Crossbrooks and Markham.